Let me take you through the production process of braised pork belly. First, workers cut the premium pork belly into uniformly sized long strips. This width not only makes the braised pork look more appealing, but also ensures it absorbs the flavors more effectively during braising. Once the pork belly is cut, it is transported to the thawing workshop for cleaning and defrosting. After, it is placed into our braising pot under the slow cooking process with our secret braising sauce. The originally pale pork belly quickly turns golden and delicious. To make the meat even more tender, a lid is placed on the pot. The pork is simmered on low heat for a while. When the lid is lifted, the whole workshop fills with the irresistible aroma of braised meat. Using a hoist, workers carefully lift the entire pot of braised meat to drain. Once cooled to a suitable temperature, the meat is removed by workers and neatly arranged on stainless steel racks. Once the tempting braised pork belly is neatly arranged, it is transported to the pre-cooling workshop through our air cooling process. The pork is brought down to room temperature, which helps ensure the meat remains tender and fresh. Finally, the meat is vacuum sealed and ready for shipment.